This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable coffee cup lids, specifically these Restpresso white sugarcane coffee cup lids. The lids themselves are sold separately from the cups, and these lids fit the 8, 12, 16, and 20 ounce sizes from a variety of different compatible Restaurantware cup lines. So you want to check the listing to see which cups are compatible with these, but it's a nice selection. And we have it here on a 16 ounce black double wall cup. The lids themselves are made from repurposed sugarcane fibers, making them both commercially compostable and biodegradable. These are a perfect eco-friendly option and a great alternative to traditional plastic lids for coffee cups. They create a nice tight seal on those cups to really keep your coffee, tea, or cocoa contained. And they also feature a lovely elevated drinking spout for easy sipping and a ventilation hole in the back to make sure that that sip is smooth. They're microwave safe, which means reheating your beverages is easy, and they're perfect for coffee shops, cafes, and restaurants, for bakeries or any other establishment that has a hot coffee service, or just for enjoying your morning cup from home on the go.